Have you ever heard of a slushy cup? Neither had I until they sent me one to review, and I'm really excited that they did because this is so cool. I think it's just a brilliant concept. I love my stuff frozen. I live in Vegas, so it's super hot here. Comes with a recipe card. I'll tell you some of the recipes. Oh my God, they sound amazing. This is the cup. I'm going to tell you what it does. I'm going to show you what it does. It is so cool. So you've got how to do it, and I'm just going to tell you. You've also got a spoon and a straw. So let me just show you this cup. So you've got your lid, and when the lid comes off, you've got the inside here. So you can see how these pillows, you've got these little pillows. So what you're going to do is you're going to freeze this cup for about 4 hours, and that could vary depending on what location you're in. Then you put whatever you want in here. Then after, once the cup is frozen, you're going to take it out of the freezer. You're going to pour your ingredients in. Once you've poured your ingredients, so you're not freezing the ingredients in the freezer, you're just pouring them in. Then you're just going to squeeze this cup. You're just going to squeeze it and squeeze it and squeeze it. And what happens is the liquid gets in between these little pouches here, and it creates that slushy, for you. So let me just read you some of these recipes because, oh my God, okay, this is the one that I think sounds the best. It's orange creamsicle slushy. It's 7 ounces of orange juice and 1 cup of vanilla yogurt. I'd blend that, throw that in there. Oh my God, delicious. But let me just read some of these other ones because they sound absolutely incredible. You've got tart fruit slushy. On our live stream earlier today, a couple people recommended maybe margaritas would be really good in this, or things like that. So lemon lime soda, 5 ounces lemon lime soda, 3 ounces flavored juice drink, and 2 tablespoons lime juice. Yum. You also could do a chocolate milk slushy in here. So you just do 8 ounces of chocolate milk and 2 tablespoons of chocolate syrup. You've got a chocolate slushy. Oh my God, you could do frappuccinos in here. You can make your own frappuccinos. I mean, the possibilities with this guy is endless. Oh, this was the other one that sounded really good. Fruit explosion slushy. Listen to this. 3 ounces of ginger ale, 3 ounces of fruit punch, 2 ounces of orange juice, and 2 ounces of apple juice. Oh my God, you guys. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to try this.